Hey, Trader Bear back with another video, and in this one, we'll be going over a brief introduction to the Forex market. Now, if you're not really familiar, Forex is just a short-term phrase used when referring to the foreign exchange market. That's right, Forex is short for foreign exchange, which is the largest and most liquid financial market in the entire world. Trading at over $6 trillion a day, it is the official trading market where one can exchange different currencies from across the globe. Now, traditionally, this has always been done in the physical form. When anyone travels to another country, they typically participate in the foreign exchange market by physically exchanging their native currency for the native currency of the place in which they travel to. But as time continued to pass and technology continued to advance, the internet grew worldwide, thus allowing Forex to find its way online. And now, traders from any place on earth can trade digitally from the comfort of their home and even on their phone. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week, opening Sunday at 5 p.m. New York Eastern Standard Time and closing Friday 5 p.m. New York Eastern Standard Time. Now, despite some of the more popular trading markets, like the stock market for example, trading Forex doesn't require much capital. In fact, there are even some brokers and trading platforms that will let you participate with as little as $50. So how do we make money as a trader? Well, it's pretty simple. The market tends to do the same thing over and over again. In fact, it often moves in patterns. And if you can get good at identifying these patterns and being able to tell which currency pair is actually going to go up versus the currency pair that's going to go down, this will allow you to determine whether or not to buy or sell a specific currency pair. So just to recap, the value of currencies, as we know, tends to fluctuate. And in reviewing the markets, we can identify the patterns in these fluctuations, thus allowing us to make an educated prediction on whether or not a currency pair would either be going up or going down, which in then turns, we would hit buy or sell. Pretty simple, right? Well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and thumbs up so that other new traders just like you can see our content as well. Because here at Trader Bear, we're here to help. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.